right? 1 times 3 equals 3. So here, if you reverse it, you see that any number can be written as itself multiplied by 1. You see? Now 1 is a factor of every number. We have 2 times 1. Of course, that's 2. 2 times 2 is 4. You see, so here we know, that's how we know what our factors of 4 is. 2 times 2. So we say, these are factors of 4. Or you could say 4 equals 2 times 2. So here I take 4, and I say when we factor it. Now this is the same notation. This means the same thing as here. This is a multiplication. And this is also a multiplication. And so, to break it into its multiplication, that's we separated 4 into its factors. We'll get to 5. Okay? Now 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay? Now 5. Now there was no other number. We did 2 and 3. None of those numbers multiply by each other to equal 5. So 5 cannot be divided evenly by any other numbers but itself and 1. And we say 5 is a prime number. And prime means a number whose only factors are 1 and itself. To 6. Now the factors of 6 are 2 and 3. Okay? Because you can 6 or 2 goes into 6 3 times. Or 3 goes into 6 twice. So we say, so if we break 6 into factors, that's 3 and 2. Now for 7, that's factored into 7 and 1. And 7 is a prime number. We say 7 is a prime number. And we get to 8. Now we can factor that into 4 and 2. Now we say 7, you would factor 7 into 7 and 1. But always remember that you can factor 1 out of any number, any time. Remember that. The fact that you can multiply 1 by a number or divide a number by 1 and it does not change the number is a principle that is used throughout mathematics. For example, we were converting 1/2 to 2/4. In order to do that, and those are equal. So 1/2, just like any number multiplied by 1, we know that's equal to 1/2. But 2/2 is equal to 1. And then if I multiply that, you get 2 times 1, or 2, over 2 times 2, which is 4. You see, because 2/2 is equal to 1. And here, 1/2 times 2/2 is like multiplying it by 1, which does not change it. So we say 4 and 8 is equal to 4 by 2. Now 4 we know is equal to 2 by 2. So 8 is equal to, also equal to 2 by 2 by 2. 3 factors of 2. Or we say 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 3, or 2 cubed. Here we say, because 4 equals 2 by 2, we can say that 4 is equal to 2 squared. And then 2 would be equal to 2 to the power of 1. Or 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. Now here for 9, the fact that it's 3 and 3, or to 9 and 1, are the factors of 9. And we say 9 equals 9 times 1, or 9 equals 3 by 3. Okay? Okay, so we have for 9, 3 by 3. Now if we tried 11, 11 is our next prime number. Only evenly divisible by itself in 1. Okay? 11 is a prime number. Okay? See, now let's factor a number greater, such as 20. Let's say 20 can be factored into 5 and 4. And then 4 can be factored into 2 and 2. Okay? So you can say that 20 is equal to 5 times 4. 20 is equal to 5 times 2 times 2. Or you can say 20 is equal to 5 times 2 squared, the square of 2. Okay? So let's say if you had the fraction 4/20ths, So we have the fraction 4/20. And I said simplify it. Or to simplify 4/20. You know that 4 breaks down into 2 and 2.